Hello everybody, it's a lazy weekend and we are in the mood to reveal our secret to long and healthy nails. Here are the tools you need. Start your routine with clean nails that are free of your old polish. Apply cuticle remover on your nails. Sarita here is using one from El Corazon. Take a pea-sized amount of the cuticle remover and apply to each nail individually. Gently massage the product in and wait for some time. Once you see the dead skin coming off a bit, use a cuticle pusher like this rose gold one from ILMP to gently push them out. As usual, link to all the products that have been used in this video can be found in the description below. Remember to be gentle with this process and also note that this is not supposed to hurt. The excess cuticle that is remaining can be cut carefully with a cutter. Cutting the cuticle is best left for the experts and you may choose to not include it in your routine. It doesn't make it look bad. Next, we will clean our nails with some lint-free wipe and some acetone. Then we are going to drench those cuticles in cuticle oil. You can pick up the cuticle nail oil pen from ILMP, which is very nourishing and also travel friendly. During the time the oil absorbs and nourishes our cuticles, we are going to start shaping the nail. We recommend using a glass nail file as it is very gentle on the nail. One tip from ILMP is to file them in one direction. Now comes the most important step in our opinion, applying a good quality strengthening base coat. Sharita here has used one from El Corazon, which is a cult favorite at ILMP. If you're someone who paints your nails very often and changes polish every week or every other day, a base coat is very essential to maintain the health and color of your nails. To read more about why we think base coat is extremely essential in your routine, head over to our blog. The link is in the description below. And that's it, our extensive nail care routine has now come to an end. At ILMP, we typically do this every time we change a polish, and that is once every week. If you'd like to watch more such tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.